Today we're going to talk about creating a new game in Bloxels. So up at the top we would select the game choice. You can see that there's already one game in your library because that's a game that has been shared with you from our classroom library up here. But as always, we're going to choose the plus sign that adds something new. We're going to set up our game right now. We could start off by capturing a new layout, but when we first click Create New Game, you can see that it's dropping our character right in the center of our map board. At the top, you'll notice it says Untitled. So if you've already come up with a name, if you click on that where it says Untitled, you can change the name. I'm doing this as an example. I'm just going to call it Group 1 because this is in the Group 1 account. Then you'll notice that there's Hero Pose, Fill Color, Cartridge Art. Here at the bottom, it says Hero. So since we already created our hero, the Family Guy, I'm going to tap where it says Hero and I'm going to choose Family Guy as our hero. So now he will be the character that plays in here. Background, when you decide to make your own background art, you can tap there and it would be showing down along the bottom. And then you can select the music that you like. If you're trying to figure out what you want to do, if you tap on it, it will play a little sample of what that music is to figure out what you want. Once you have that all figured out, then if you tap back on the screen, it will close that. You'll see that it says Group 1 there. Our hero is now showing in the center. When you are planning a video game, you can think of your world that you're creating as this box, this map plan, and think about where you want to go. When I created my first one, Fly Away, I actually had my character start over here on the far left side. And if you click there on your hero, you can see that it's blank, right? And you can see we have a lot of choices in here on our game creation. On the left-hand side, capture. So if we had a board to capture, then we would choose that option. And then we have some of our typical things that we would expect to see anytime we're creating. Undo, redo, erase, copy. Copy's nice if you want to make the next screen be similar. Paste, X-ray to move in, and move. This here, that looks like a magnifying glass. If we tap it, it takes you back out so you can see your whole map plan. On the right-hand side, you can see that these blocks are showing the color that you would use on the scanning board. I'm just going to tip this a little bit so you can see the color better. So the red is a danger block. The orange is something you can move. The yellow would be a coin. Green is landscape. Blue, water. Purple would be a villain or adversary. The pink is a power up, and white is a sign. In our next video, I'll show you about scanning a board or creating a board, but that is the get to know the gaming setup.